Mama here. Mamma mia. Hola, guapa. Ready for food? Yeah? Here we go. I'll give it to you here because lightning might scare you a bit. Here. Oh, what's that goodies? Is that goodies? Get your goodies, girl. Go on, Mama. It's okay. Not really. Jesus, it's hot. Have a dip in the pool there. Go on. It's the next one. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. You hit the jackpot. Flip, it's too hot. Just a note, make sure that you leave water out for the pigeons, all the animals, squirrels, but everything. Cats, whatever comes along, man. Jesus, don't let them suffer. Give them some foodies in a bowl and water so they can survive, because they're baking, poor things. So help them out, help the animals out. Oh, gee.